In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to buy and sell NHL playoff tickets. Let's get started. First, the most important thing to know is that NHL playoff tickets are usually sold in phases. The best and safest way to buy them is through official sources like Ticketmaster, the NHL's official ticket marketplace, or directly from team website once tickets are released. These platforms sell verified digital tickets, and even when games are sold out, you will often still find official resale options available. If you missed the initial sale, don't worry. Most fans buy playoff tickets through trusted resale platforms. The most common and reliable ones include StubHub, SeatGeek, and Ticketmaster Resale. These platforms allow fans to resell tickets safely, and they usually include buyer protection, which helps if a ticket turns out to be invalid or not delivered. When buying tickets, always compare prices across multiple platforms. NHL playoff pricing can change fast depending on the round, the matchup, and even how close the game is. Earlier rounds are usually cheaper, while conference finals and Stanley Cup final games can get extremely expensive as demand increases. Now, if you want to sell NHL playoff tickets, you can do that through the same platform. For example, Ticketmaster allows verified fan-to-fan resale, and StubHub or SeatGeek let you list tickets by setting your own price. Once a ticket sells, the platform handles delivery and payment securely, so you don't have to deal directly with buyers. Always avoid buying from random social media accounts or unverified sellers because scams are very common during playoff. Also, make sure your tickets are fully digital and transferable before you try to sell them. And that's it. Now you know how to safely buy and sell NHL playoff tickets. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.